Hello everyone, let's check how to use the vacuum loader. Step 1, you need to fix this on your hook and connect the pipe this side with this side. And this side is used for suctioning the raw materials like the granules. And one signal cables to the vacuum loader, and also the power cables for the vacuum loader. Okay, let's see how to set the vacuum loader. It resist is for setting the suction time. The F1 is the start time. For example, we set it as 10 seconds, and F2 is the stop time. Okay, for example, we set it as 5 seconds. Okay, and start. So now its suction time is 10 seconds, and then stop. Stop with 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it will start again. So now it's automatically running now.